Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Emma. So in today's video, it is a hair wash day. In today's wash day, I'm going to be using my moringa powder and fenugreek as a pre-poo. Now if you'd like to know how I make this oil, I've made a video about it. I'll link that video into my description box. But in the meantime, I am going to be using this as my pre-poo. So this is how it looks. Yeah, it's been fermenting for about 3 weeks now. It smells quite strong, and I'm scared that it's quite very messy, so I'm just gonna quickly get a towel before I apply it to just cover myself from the mess. And then yeah, let me just get a towel and I'll be back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna apply this oil onto my hair. I don't want to apply too much. So I'm gonna use a spoon and just, yeah. So this oil, the consistency of it is, it's very thick now, and I think this is because of the fenugreek powder. So that's why the consistency is much more thicker. So now while I'm applying this, I'm just gonna tell you a little bit about my hair. So as you can see, I've got color treated hair. So my hair is bleach damaged, and it was weak for quite a while. My hair was very weak and brittle, and it was breaking, and it was more drier, and this was caused by the bleaching. But ever since I have been using I've been incorporating fenugreek and rice water, my hair has gained its strength again. Obviously it's no longer in its original state in terms of the thickness, because I've got really extremely thick hair. Ever since I've been using fenugreek and rice water and moringa powder, my hair, it has really regained its strength. Like, it feels so much better, and it actually feels much softer, considering that now I haven't washed my hair in 3 weeks because I had the far locks. I had locks, so I didn't wash my hair all the time. I had far locks. All I was just doing was to just spray my hair with fenugreek water. It felt so much softer taking. When I took out the locks, my hair was so soft. It was not dry at all. I think I've applied enough now. Now we're just gonna massage that into the scalp. We're just gonna massage what we have into the scalp, and yeah, I've massaged the oil into my hair and scalp. I'm just going to cover my hair with the shower cap. I mean, this is just a normal routine. And then for extra moisture, I'm going to just put in my cap. I love this cap because it's got a material. Look at that. It's got a material, and then it's got a plastic outside. So you guys, this pre-poo, I have to warn you, it's not the kind of pre-poo that you would like to pre-poo overnight, like apply it and go to bed with it, because as you can see, the moringa, it's green, and when it starts dripping, when the oil starts dripping, chances of you messing up your pillowcases or your bedding are very high. So I wouldn't advise you to sleep with this pre-poo. Rather just do it during the day. Start especially in the morning, and then pre-poo for hours, and then during the day you wash it off. So that is basically what I am going to do. So in the meantime, I'm going to be preparing my deep conditioning hair treatment that I'm going to be using for today. So what I'm going to use is a tablespoon of moringa powder and a tablespoon of fenugreek powder, and I'm also going to add in some aloe vera juice. So I've prepared my aloe vera right here, and I'm also going to take a full overripe avocado and add into that treatment. Now avocado has got really great benefits for your hair, so once in a while I love to just throw in avocado into my hair treatment. And we're also going to be adding 2 full tablespoons of coconut cream into the treatment.
some extra virgin olive oil, some black castor oil in there, and we're going to blend it all together. So after blending it together, this is what we have. It looks quite delicious, but we're not going to be eating that. This is all going to our hair. So I'm going to apply this treatment onto my hair and cover it with a shower cap for about 45 minutes to an hour, and after that I'm going to wash it all off. However, when I wash it off, I'm not gonna shampoo again because I've already shampooed my hair first. So we're not gonna wash it off using a shampoo. We're just gonna wash it off with plain water. But however, what I did after washing it off, I also conditioned my hair, applied my regular conditioner, and now I am going to rinse my hair with my rice water that has been fermenting for more than 24 hours, and also my fenugreek water that I left soaked in overnight. So I'm going to put that in my spray bottle. So I'm mixing my rice water and my fenugreek water together, and I'm also going to be adding about 10 drops of peppermint oil into the mixture. Now this is my fenugreek water. This is how it looks like, and I'm gonna rinse off my hair with this. So I won't wash it off, I'll just rinse it and leave it like that. There is no need to wash off your rinse. Yeah, and after that I'm just gonna take in my leave-in conditioner from Cantu and apply that onto my hair.
So what I had to do was just do some chunky twist as a protective style to my hair, and I always use this when I do my twist. It's a Dark and Lovely product. It's called Curl Power. So I sealed in the moisture with this argan oil. I use, like, for sealing in moisture, I use lighter oils like argan oil, grapeseed oil or avocado oil, because those are much more lighter. So yeah, you guys, this is basically my wash day routine for repairing my damaged hair. If you also have damaged hair, you're trying to repair your hair, comment down in the comment section. How do you do it? What do you do? So that was it for today's video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.